Welcome to Line Table Screen Printing by Jury Philippines. I'm Jin from Jury. Today we want to show you our plan to make a screen drawing box. The purpose of this box is to keep immersion-coated screens safe from the sunlight and the dust while they are drying. The plan file download link is in the description. This box is made to hold 20 pieces of 20 by 24 inch frames. Here is the framework of the box. It's made with 1x2 and 2x2 wood. Here are the parts of the frame and their dimensions. Nails and wood glues were used to put them together. After the frame is completed, you can attach plywood walls and door. Here is the plywood box. Thin plywood is okay, but if you want more stability, use 1/4 inch thickness, especially for the door. Here are the plywood parts and their dimensions. This is how it looks when it's completed. To speed up drying process of the coated screens, you may add exhaust fan on top of the box. Or you can place a dehumidifier inside the box. This is an easy project. The only issue we encountered was the door. Because the frame and the plywood door were not completely flat, there were gaps between the door and the frames. We solved the issue by putting weather strips all around the frame and then installing 3 Velcro strips to hold down the door. Here is a video clip about how we use this screen drawing box. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give us thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.